All right, so we're going to take a look at another experimental design practice problem. So here is the scenario. Mrs. Dewitt wants to know which grass fertilizer will make her grass grow taller. She divides her lawn into 3 equal sections. Section A gets no fertilizer, Section B gets Sunny's fertilizer, and Section C gets Mike's grow fertilizer. She waters the lawn at the same time and gives it the same amount of water. The grass was measured after 2 weeks. So we have results for this one. So no fertilizer was 7 centimeters, Sunny's fertilizer was 11 centimeters, and Mike's grow fertilizer was 9 centimeters. So which one is the control group? So remember that the control group is what you compare everything else to. So it's kind of your plain one, the one that you don't do anything to. So our control group is going to be our no fertilizer. Oh, let me hit the pen. I like purple. All right, so this is going to be no fertilizer. All right, so what is the independent variable and the dependent variable? Sometimes I think it's easier to find the dependent variable first by looking at what you're going to measure. So if we look at our results table right here, it kind of helps us figure out what we're measuring and what we're changing. So let's start with the DV. So our dependent variable, that's what we're measuring. So look at our numbers here. Our numbers are going to give us what we're measuring. So we're measuring the height of the grass. So dependent height of the grass. All right, and then what we're changing is the fertilizer. All right, so let's keep going down. What is Mrs. Dewitt's hypothesis? So I'm going to give you the sentence frame, and then you can actually fill it out however you want. So it's going to be, if the IV, and it's going to be increases, decreases, or changes, then the DV, what's going to happen to the DV? Is it going to increase or decrease or change? All right, so the conclusion. I'm going to look up here at my results, and I'm going to see that Sunny's fertilizer was the best. Sunny's, yay. All right, how many levels are there? We can go up here and look, and we see 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 levels. What are the constants? So we didn't talk about this on the one before. So the constants are the things that stay the same throughout it. So if we go back up here, we're going to see that waters the lawn at the same time, gives it the same amount of water, and it was measured after 2 weeks. So those are all things that stay the same. So amount of water, so measured after 20 days. And same amount of water, same time. So we wouldn't want to give some of the area water at 12 noon and then some at 8 p.m. because obviously it's going to be hotter at 12 noon, so more of the water might evaporate. So same time. All right, and there's our second practice problem.